Good morning, student. I Kailash Vandal from Adarsh Vidya Mandir Shankar Debit Malta. Student, today we are continuing the topic permutation and combination. In this topic, here we do some questions. In the series, first question is 5 into 4pr is equal to 6 into 5pr minus 1, and we want to find here r. Okay. So first of all, we solve as a permutation formula because we know the formula of NPR, that is the n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Formula is that NPR equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So similarly, we opened this step regarding to this formula and we have 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 minus r factorial. Similarly, here 6 into 5 factorial divided by 6 minus r plus 1 factorial. Okay. Now, if we solve, then 5 as it is 4 factorial divided by 4 minus r factorial, and same thing, if we open the 5 factorial, then we get 5 into 4 factorial. Here 6 plus 1 7, so 7 minus r as it is, now 6 minus r as it is, now again 5 minus r as it is. Now here 4 minus r factorial here we get. Okay. So here we check 4 minus r factorial, 4 minus r factorial will cancel out, and 4 factorial also cancel out. Now 5 and 5 will also cancel out. So finally we have a step as that is after the cross multiplied, there is 7 minus r, there is 6 minus r, and there is also 5 minus r equal to 6, and 6 we can write as 3 into 2 into 1 as a factorial, 3 into 2 into 1. After the comparing we get here 7 minus r equal to 3, 7 minus r equal to 3. I think r equals to 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Now if again 6 minus r equal to 2, then r is again equal to 4. Similarly 5 minus r equal to 1, then r equal to 4. So similarly all the steps we have to get that r equals to 4. It means our answer is r equals to 4. So in this question we want to find the r. So what is the value of r? So all the steps we get the value r equals to 4. Okay. Now in this series our second question. Our second question is arrangement of word daughter. The word is given to you daughter. All vowels occur together. First question is all vowels occur together. So according to solution, here we clearly see that total word, total letter, okay, total letters are 8. Okay, but here vowels are A, E and U. Totally there is a 3 vowels, A, U and E. There is a 3 vowels. So different letters are 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Okay. Here we want to arrange 5 different letter and 1 vowels letter. So here the arrangements are, suppose A, E and U. Otherwise 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 letters are come and 1 letter A, E, U means one letter. So totally arrangements are here up to this. Totally arrangements are 6. Okay. So the permutation total arrangements are similar. First questions we have to complete. Total arrangement. The total arrangements are 6p6. 6 letter at a 6th place multiplied 3 letters because 3 vowels are occurred together, so 3 letters again on 3 places. So according to permutation there will be 6 factorial multiplied by 3 factorial. 6 factorial I think 720 and 3 factorial it will be 6. So answer is 4320. So how many total arrangements are? The total arrangements are 4320. Now the second question. Second question is all vowels do not occur together. Do not. Vowels do not occur together. If vowels do not occur together, then the total arrangements are total word minus vowel occur together. Okay, total word permutation minus vowels occur together. Total word permutation is, total word is here 8 factorial. So here 8p8 minus here 6p6 multiplied 3p3. So here 8 factorial minus 6 factorial multiplied by 3 factorial. Now clearly we seen that is the 8 multiplied by 7 into 6 factorial minus 6 factorial into 3 factorial. So here 6 factorial will take common, then we get 8 into 7 minus 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 6. It means 6 factorial into 56 minus 6. 720 into 56 minus 6, there will be 50. So answer is 720 into 50. It means 36,000. How much answers? Their total permutations are, if vowels do not occur together, the total permutations are 36,000. If vowels occur together, then our answer is 4,320. Okay, I hope you understood this questions easily.